My friends, I found this platform that gives you access to Seedance 2.0 to generate AI animations. So I'm going to use the opportunity to teach you how to generate Roblox animation since it is blowing up on YouTube right now. So stay tuned as I teach you how to do everything from the beginning to the end.
Let's build together! Teamwork wins!
Kindness made me rich!
Friends are the best treasure!
The first thing we're going to do is to generate our script. So you can copy this prompt idea I have here, paste it on your ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you different topics idea. You can pick any of the topics idea, then you insert it in the topic aspect that is in this prompt, then you generate your video. It's just as easy as this, okay? So once ChatGPT generates your script, ChatGPT is going to do everything for you. It's going to give you both the video prompts, it's going to give you the images, it's going to give you the scene, different camera angles, as you can see, camera movements, character actions, facial expression, environmental details, visual effects, the dialogue. ChatGPT is going to give you a very detailed script, okay? So when you are done with that, you will now tell ChatGPT to create a character image for you, okay? That's the that will be your picture reference when creating your video. So that's exactly what to do when you're creating your prompt. As you can see, I told ChatGPT to create the character image for me. This is the image ChatGPT gave me. So once ChatGPT generated it, I saved it to my phone, and that is exactly what you're going to do, okay? Now that we have our image and our script ready, the next thing to do is to go to the platform that we're going to get access to Seedance 2.0 to generate our video for free. This is the platform that we're going to be using. The platform is called Tinker, okay? So you can download it on your App Store or your Play Store. So I already downloaded it. The next thing you do is to sign in. Then you see where they wrote tap to create. You tap on it. You see this place. They wrote image, video, and text. We're going to be using the video aspect because we already have our image. You see where they wrote Google Video. You tap on it. You select your AI model. There's Kling, there's Seedance, there is VEO. So I selected the Seedance, then I went down, I saw prompt. You paste your video prompt, then you select your reference image, that image we got from ChatGPT earlier. You select the image, that's the reference image, then you scroll down, then you are going to see additional settings. That's where you're going to be selecting your aspect ratio, your duration, and your resolution. As you can see, I selected 6 seconds for my duration. I selected the aspect ratio for my YouTube videos, which is 16:9. Then I selected the resolution 720. Okay, then when you are done, you see this yellow arrow that is down, you drag it, you slide it to the right to generate, and immediately your video is going to start generating. Immediately your video gets generated, you're going to watch it and save it to your phone. You're going to see one three dots icon that is below. You're going to tap on it. When you tap on it, you see download. Then you tap on it to download it into your phone. Now we have created a Roblox video with Seedance 2.0 AI model.
Your house is so tiny! A kind heart is bigger.
As scene 1 Roblox video is ready, let's generate scene 2. Tap type to create. When you tap on this type to create that is below, you select video, you tap on this Google Video to select your AI model. There's Kling, there's Seedance, there's video. Tap on Seedance, okay? Then you go back to your ChatGPT to copy your video prompt for scene 2. Copy both the camera angles, the dialogue, the visual effects, copy everything. Then you go back to the platform and paste it. Then you scroll down, you select your reference image, that's the character we got from ChatGPT. So it's going to load. When it's load, you're going to see it there. Then you scroll down to select your duration, you select your aspect ratio, you select your resolution, okay? Once you're done selecting, this arrow that is down, you're going to slide to generate, and immediately your video is going to get generated. Once your video gets generated, that three dots icon that is below, you're going to tap on it to download the video into your phone, and you're good.
What's happening? Be careful!
So this is how to generate a Roblox animation using Seedance 2.0. Follow this same step I just taught you, step by step. Calm down, watch the video and follow it, and you are already a pro at generating Roblox animation using Seedance 2.0, free, no credit, no subscription, nothing, absolutely free. So I had to create the many videos off camera, so this video won't be too long. Let's watch it.
Your house is so tiny. A kind heart is bigger. What's happening? Be careful!
My house is gone!
Come with me. You're welcome here.
Thank you.
Let's build together! Teamwork wins!
Kindness made me rich.
Friends are the best treasure.
Now you know how to generate Roblox animation using Seedance 2.0 AI model. In this platform, there's no watermark and you definitely enjoy it. If you have any comments or any questions to ask, do want to drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in our next class. I love you all. Toodles!